everyone. So today's video is actually a fun one for me to do. We are going to be unboxing my very first Sephora Playbox. So some of you who have been watching my channel know that I was an Ipsy member for a very long time. I remember signing up when they first started and there was a wait list, so I've been an Ipsy member for many years. And over the last year or so, I haven't quite been fully satisfied with what I was getting. Some of the products I know I wasn't even going to use. So it was just one of those things where I just got to the point where I thought, you know, I'm just going to cancel. So I did cancel my Ipsy. So unfortunately, I will not be having any more of showings of Ipsy products in videos or on Snapchat or anything like that, because I decided to cancel that one and do the Sephora Play. So this box has been sitting with these goodies in here for a little over a week now, and I have been anxious and curious to see what's in this box. So if you are a Sephora Play subscriber, then let me know what you think about the service. Are you satisfied? How long have you been getting the products? Is it actually worth the $10? And just give me some feedback. Okay, so if you've seen some Sephora Play unboxing type of videos, you probably already know that there's an array of different products. This is my first one, and of course, I'm assuming every box comes with a card that you can take it in and get 50 beauty points, and it says the month January 2018. So that's really cool how it has that, and you can get 50 extra bonus points, which is really nice because when you get 100 points, you can get a sample of a product, and every point helps. So this is what this month's little pouch looks like, and I think that's really cute, and it's something that you find pretty similar in other subscription services that have like special boxes, special little pouches. This is really cute, and it says Happy You Year # Sephora Play. That's so cute. So I know what's in here. So I think I'm gonna actually save these pouches. They're actually really cute. Ooh, okay. So the first thing that I pulled out is the Alterna Hair Care. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Shampoo and Moisture Conditioner. Moisture Shampoo, Moisture Conditioner. So it says free of sulfates, parabens, and synthetic color, which is right up my alley. Yes, it's a foil packet. I'm not a fan of it, and I don't like to have these types of things in my, my subscription boxes, because sometimes you can get samples like this in a magazine, or just I've gotten them with coupon like postcard things just sent by brands, and it's actually quite nice to have that and to try it. But do you guys get a lot of foil packet type of things in the Sephora Play? Because I don't know. I hope not. I think I've gotten several like things like this in my Ipsy bag, and that's just another thing that I don't really care for. But I'm not mad at this because I do want to try the Alterna Caviar. I was actually looking into their products as well, so that works. Ooh, the Lancome Cils Booster XL. This is a mascara primer. So I don't think I've tried this. Have I? No, I don't think so. So it is a typical white primer. It does have a bit of a scent, but it's a very Lancome scent, if you know what I mean. So it's just a white primer. I don't know if it's any good. Hopefully when I put my mascara over it, it will cover that up. So I'm going to be testing that out in a video soon. Alright, so the next thing is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner, which is actually a pretty good size. It's tiny, good for travel, but it says that on the back it's supposed to significantly moisturize skin for 24 hours. There is an asterisk, and when you look, it says instrumental test on 10 subjects, so 10 people. I don't really let myself get caught up in those claims, because 10 people, that doesn't mean that it's actually going to work. But it's alcohol free, and it's made with rose water, which is calming, hydrating, and helps to remove impurities, clarify the complexion, healthier looking skin. Ideal for prepping the skin for serums and creams, setting makeup, refreshing the skin, yada yada yada. So let's see. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. So this is really cute, and that's nice. So it's how much is this? 20 mils, so 0.6 fluid ounces, and that's what it looks like. There you go. Alright, so let's see what else I've got in here. Glam Glow, the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Now, I tried a sample of the Glam Glow mask when it was like out in the market for the first time. Everybody was going crazy with it because it drawed out so many impurities, and I didn't really get on that bandwagon. I didn't get it. So I'm excited to try this. This is the Super Cleanse, and if you've tried, it's good. So let's see. Does it smell like anything weird? Ooh. Okay. It smells like licorice, like black licorice candy. I can't stand that stuff. Ugh. And it's like a gray color. Okay. So it says apply to dry face and massage over skin, rinse, clean, use AM and PM. So I have to look up the ingredients on this. Hopefully it's good. A good size sample though. It's 15 grams, so 0.5 ounces. I think that's reasonable to try it and see if I like it. All right, the next thing is the Clinique Pep Star Eye Cream. I actually have been wanting to try this. I looked into it during the last Sephora VIB sale. It was in one of those kits, but then some of the products in there I didn't really want because I wasn't going to use them, and I never really purchased it, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited about this. It's so tiny. Oh my goodness. I have to smell everything. I don't know what my problem is, but that's what that looks like. Really, really cool. Very tiny. My very last thing is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So it's a primer and moisturizer in one with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient used to hydrate the skin, and it's really good to have it in your skincare or in your skincare products. Niacinamide is also another one that's very good for the skin as well, and it's like in the little samples. Let me see if I can get it out. Yes, it is glass. Okay, so this is like a super tiny, like itty bitty little thing. Look at that. So cute. Okay, so let's see what it says. Primerizer was created in our LA studios to replenish moisture and prep the skin for makeup in one step. So the niacinamide and hyaluronic acid moisturizes and plumps the skin. Sets in seconds, so makeup goes on fast. Insanely lightweight, and skin feels comfortable all day. So we'll see. Apply 1 to 2 pumps. Well, I'm not going to be able to get pumps out of this, but 1 to 2 pumps to fingertips and smooth over face before makeup. Can be used with or without moisturizer. Okay, so it's just one of those that you have to kind of dump out. So we'll see. I've never tried this. Anybody? You tried it? Is it good? It's not. Okay, so that's it for this little first box, and honestly, it's not bad. I'm excited about these because I think that these products, they're the sizes of what you would spend 100 points. So when you spend $100, you get 100 points, and then you can redeem them for something really itty bitty like this. So, you know, it's good because it's $10, and then you can try these things. And I don't know if it's, you know, always going to be tiny itty bitty little things like this every single month, or if, you know, there would be a chance where the products are a little bit larger like this, or that Glam Glow. That's a really good size. This is a good size as well, the Cils Booster XL. There's quite a bit of that. And I hope that I don't get like a lot of foil packets in my Sephora plays, because I'm not going to be down with that. So anyways, that's it for this Sephora Play unboxing. This is my first one, and I'm really excited about it to try these products. You'll see some of these in, I'm sure you'll see some of these products in future tutorials coming up. And before I let you go, let's just talk about this highlight. Let me just show you. It's an hourglass highlight. I love this. This is the Vanish Flash highlighter, the new ones that just came out. This is in the shade Champagne Flash. This was actually sent to me by Influencer for review, and I've been wearing it, and so I wanted to share it with you guys just because it's really freaking pretty. Like, the packaging is just absolutely beautiful, but the color is just everything. And when you blend it out, it feels silky, it blends smoothly, it doesn't look chalky. It just has like a nice formula, a nice kind of creaminess to it. And so what I do is I don't just like do a stripe on there. What I like to do is use my Delium Tools 977 sculpting face brush. So I kind of do one of these numbers, pick it up, and just kind of dab it. And that's all I'm wearing today. Kept everything pretty natural and just super minimal. But that is the glow that I have today. And I wanted to share with you guys because this stuff is pretty awesome and I love it. I've been wearing it a few times since I've gotten it, and I'm so glad that they sent that to me. So thanks, influencer. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check this out. This is really good. This is in the shade Champagne Flash. And what I like about it is that they came out with several different colors for, does my card say? No. Okay, I thought the little card that they sent had the information, but there's several different shades, so if you are fair like me, the champagne would work. If you're darker, they have some that are more complementary to tan, medium, and darker skin tones, which I think is fabulous to include all those skin colors, and it's a really great product, so definitely check that out if you're interested or on the market for a new highlighter. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for spending some of your day here with me, going through my goodies and seeing what I got in my Sephora Play box, and also this highlight because it's so pretty. Have a fabulous day, and I will talk to y'all very soon.